Quickly create social media quote graphics with PowerPoint. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. A 1080 by 1080 pixel format works for Instagram and Facebook posts as well, so I don't bother making different sized images. To convert pixels to inches to size my PowerPoint slide, I use unitconverters.net. Now open a new presentation in PowerPoint and resize the slide to 11¼ inches in both width and height. You can insert an image from your hard drive, and PowerPoint also gives you the option to find images online. One of my favorite sites for free photos, graphics, and videos is pixabay.com, so I'm going there to grab a picture. Now I insert the image from my hard drive. It's not the same size as the slide, but that's okay, we're going to get a bit creative. We're going to change the background color to enhance the image, so I click on Design in the upper left and choose Format Background on the right, then choose Color and click on Eyedropper at the bottom of the drop-down menu. The eyedropper allows you to pick a custom color from your image. I've dragged the eyedropper to the swimmer's goggles and pick a nice dark teal and click on it. Now there are dark teal bands above and below the photo. Next step is to fade the photo so that the text is in the foreground. Click on the picture and in the Format Picture pane on the right, choose Picture Transparency and make the image at least 50% transparent. Next is to go to Insert, Text Box, and add your text. Adjust the font size and color to fit. Save the slide in PowerPoint format to use as a template, then save again as a JPEG or PNG to upload to social media, and you're done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.